First, open the Simple Mobile app on your phone and log in with your account credentials. Next, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, and selecting Account or My Account. Look for the Transfer Service or Manage SIM section. If you can't find it, use the app's search bar and type Transfer PIN. Select the option to get Transfer PIN. You'll now need to verify your identity using multi-factor authentication. This might involve entering a code sent to your email or phone number, or using your fingerprint or Face ID. Once verified, the app will generate your transfer PIN and display it on the screen. Make sure to copy the PIN securely and do not screenshot it for security reasons. The PIN will also be sent to your registered email address or phone number. Remember, the PIN is valid for 7 days. You can now use this PIN to complete the transfer on your new device or at a T-Mobile store. For any issues, check your internet connection or contact Simple Mobile support through the app's chat feature.